In this tutorial, we'll use ChatGPT 4 to assist us in writing a Python script. The objective is to duplicate an object at each vertex of another object. Let's follow this example. Add a circle curve and set its size to 20 by 20. Note that in edit mode, the curve shows 4 points. However, if we convert the curve to mesh and then enter edit mode again, we can see the vertices of the converted curve. Each vertex has a location, which can be either local or global. For our purpose, we need the global location. And go back to object mode. Next, create a small sphere and resize it. I'll ask ChatGPT 4 to write the code that will replicate the sphere at each vertex of the circle. The first code attempt might be incorrect, but after refining, the second attempt should work. Copy and paste this code into the text editor. Ensure the object names in the code match those in the scene. Then execute the code. You'll see how the spheres are duplicated at each vertex of the circle. Remember, you can use this code to create amazing things. Thank you for watching.